In this video, we are going to see about financial accounting. Financial accounting is a significant aspect of every business or institution. This is the department who records, analyzes, and reports the various business transactions through multiple states. Business owners depend heavily on these reports to evaluate the performance of their business and plan further. Therefore, a career in accounting is always in demand and consistent. In current scenario, industries are moving from manual to computerized accounting, acknowledging the speed, accuracy, automation, integration of accounting with other business processes, reporting, compliance, backup, data storage, security, and management. The computerized accounting is possible with a multifunctional software Tally, and it is used by various organizations with more than 1.8 million customer base. Will learning financial accounting fetch you a job, and is there a demand? Here comes the answer for that. According to PayScale India, the average salary for a Tally expert is around 2.5 lakh per annum. Experience strongly influences the pay for this job. The need for accountants exists in public as well as in private sector. If you are choosing your career as an accountant, then the options are numerous. In general, employment growth of accountants and auditors is expected to be closely tied to the health of the overall economy. As the economy grows, more professionals are needed to prepare and examine financial records. The profile of an accountant is crucial for business, either small or big, old or new, startup or established. So why do you have to opt for financial accounting course from EC Courses? You get the certificate in the name of Diploma in Financial Accounting. You will learn and become expertise in the vertical like manual accounting, computerized accounting where we use Tally, GST, income tax, payroll management, and advanced Excel. So join Diploma in Financial Accounting course in EC Courses to become a smart and successful professional from day one. To know more about Diploma in Financial Accounting course, please visit EC Courses website www.eccourses.in. Hope you find this video useful. Please like, share, subscribe to EC Courses channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.